Welcome to Do Wilderness. I am out for a wilderness exploration hike. I'm not in the wilderness now, but I was. And I came across the Forest Service Zigzag River restoration project. All these trees here have all been dropped here by a helicopter. Now, one of the ways I can tell that is because all these root balls here still have all their dirt on them. And another way I know this is there are signs all through here saying next week they're going to be closing this whole area due to helicopter activity. So I'm just making the assumption these trees have already been dropped here by a helicopter. And the third way I know these were just dropped here is because 3 weeks ago I saw a giant pile of them in the Paradise Park trailhead lot, and now they're gone, and they looked exactly like this. So Forest Service restoration project. Another reason I can tell these were dropped here because there are small trees like this cedar that has been pushed over by a tree that was dropped here from above. There's another one there, a birch. Another reason I can tell these were dropped here is because I think I already said that, but I'm going to zero in on it. These root balls facing upriver have dirt on them, and they aren't wet, which means they were just dropped here within the last month or so. I thank you for watching Do Wilderness. Hopefully we'll get a run of salmon up this river again, maybe. Zigzag River. Thank you for watching.